So what is an ugly ad? An ugly ad is where we focus on performance over aesthetics. Won't that hurt my brand? No, it won't. Nobody cares about you. Nobody cares about your brand. Nobody cares about what you have to say. People only care about themselves. You have to make users pay attention first, and then you can get them to care. Only then will they get to care. One of the cores to making ugly ads is authenticity. Our brains have subconscious ad blockers. We don't want to see ads. Maybe us, this audience, the people watching right now, ad people, right? Maybe we want to see ads, but for the most part, we don't. We want to see content that we're on social media for, right? Fun things, our friends, viral content, whatever. Authentic content that doesn't look like ads can get around these ad blockers. And we're going to talk about that a little bit later. Authenticity is on a spectrum. It's not one-dimensional or two-dimensional. It's like a 3 or 4-dimensional thing where there's a big give and take. So if people feel icky, like it's not real, not believable, it's inauthentic. So doing whatever you can to make things feel more authentic, which is what people are expecting on social media, that can help get past those ad blockers.